Today unpacking and review of this fire steel. Nice long paracord. Long rod. Looks nice. Produces probably a lot more. Try to strike it. I don't know how to get a spark on. I need to do this with this part, so it gives a little bit spark. It's not the great though, not the greatest one. That's this fire steel bracelet, fire starter. It has a very small rod, and you cannot access the black stuff really on this side, magnesium. I mean probably. Yeah, you can, but it's quite difficult. So that's how the small one is doing. Probably a few fires with this. Yeah, getting some sparks. It's really small, but it's nice. Lovely look. I like it. And this one, that's a top quality. That's a real big one. Gives you a lot of magnesium. Oh, and it's definitely the best. Seen this fire going very quickly, and it's in this wheat tube. It's waterproof probably. Of cord, and here paracord, and inside there's some fishing stuff, but I will do this at home. Nice carabiner here. That's lovely.